Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add start date in Asana. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Asana account, because I've done right here. And then the next thing, I'm going to show you how to create an account in Asana. Launch any browser of your choice. Once you do that, locate the search bar of your browser. In the search bar, type asana.com, and it's going to take you to the official website for Asana. Once you get there, follow through the on-screen prompt to create your account. And once you've successfully created your account, boom, that's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Asana. So now that we're here, let's hop into today's task, which is how to add start date to a task in Asana. Quick and easy, head over to the left corner of your screen. You're going to see a few headings with icons: Home, My Tags, Inbox, Reporting, Portfolios, Goals, and then of course your project. Click on the project that you want to work on. And then you're going to have to head over to List. So here we have List, Broad, Timeline, head over to List. So this project can be scheduled in a list form. So you can do it as a list, all right, and then schedule your date. So right here you have due date, all right, and then you have assigning. So you can just click on this due date right here for this project. Click on that calendar, and then because we want to learn how to, of course, add a start date, so you're going to see start date and due dates. So click on start date, and then let's say start date should be this 1st of December, and due date, I'm going to edit this to 3rd. So let's say 1st to 3rd, and that's it. So you see, I have added the start date. So the start date for this project, December 1st, and then the due date is December 3rd. So this is how you can add a start date to your tasks in your project on Asana. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.